There's something magical about water. The way it reflects the sky, the way it softens the mind. Welcome to a peaceful poolside yoga experience, where movement becomes art and breath becomes rhythm.
Here, beside the water, we begin with stillness. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Let the outside world fade away. Whether you're joining from sunny California, vibrant New York, beautiful British Columbia, or anywhere across the US and Canada, this moment is for you. Yoga isn't just exercise. It's awareness. It's presence. It's the art of connecting your body, breath, and intention. As the water ripples beside us, let your movements flow just as effortlessly. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Feel the air on your skin. Feel your strength rising from within. Every pose tells a story of balance, of resilience, of calm power. In North America, life moves fast. Deadlines, responsibilities, screens everywhere. But right now, you're choosing pause. You're choosing wellness. You're choosing yourself. Let the sunlight warm your face. Let the water remind you to stay fluid, strong yet soft, grounded yet free. This is yoga as art. Not perfection, but expression. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment by the pool.